Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug and how you can use it to save money on beer on your Disney cruise. Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to The Most in the Magic. This is your place for Disney tips, tricks, information, and inspiration. I'm wearing my cruise ears today, so let's talk Disney Cruise Line and Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug. I'm not a beer drinker. I don't love to drink beer, but I happen to love someone who loves to drink beer. And I love to save money. And one of the best values on alcohol in Disney Cruise Line is the Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug. What is the Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug? It's this. It's a souvenir glass mug that's refillable with beer. So where can you get the Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug? You can purchase the beer mug at any of the bar locations. Crown and Fin, Currents, Signals, any of the bar locations. Just tell them that you want to buy the refillable beer mug. Also on embarkation day, you might see pop-up stands on the pool deck or outside of cabanas where cast members are selling the beer mug. How do you use the beer mug to save money? When you purchase the beer mug, it's $16.95 including tax and tip. Every time you get it refilled, you're paying the price for 16 ounces, but you're getting 20 ounces. So here's the controversy. Some signage says 22 ounces, some signage says 21 ounces, and some signage says 20 ounces. When I filled this up with water at home, it will hold 22 ounces, but that is filled to the very brim. So it may be a 22 ounce mug, but you are not going to get 22 ounces of beer in there. Realistically, you're getting a 20 ounce pour, but you're still only paying the price of a 16 ounce pour. So there's your savings.
How much are refills?
You might be wondering how much refills cost. For us, on cruises in the past, refills have cost between about $6.50 and $9, depending on the type of beer, and that's including the taxes and tip.
What is the beer token?
The nice thing is you don't have to carry your big heavy glass beer mug around. Once you're done with your beer, hand the beer mug back into the bartender and ask for a token. They'll give you a small cardboard card that's your beer token. Keep it safe, because when you're ready for your next beer, you give the token to the bartender while you're ordering your beer, and they will give it to you in a brand new, clean beer mug. When you're done, at the end of your cruise, turn in your token the one last time, and they will give you a clean beer mug to take home as your souvenir. If you take more than one Disney cruise, you may find out that you end up with one or more glass souvenir beer mugs at your house. If you found this information helpful, give us a like and consider subscribing for more Disney and Disney Cruise Line videos. And now for my tip. Do not lose your cardboard beer token. Store your beer mug token with your Key to the World card in your lanyard. That way, you will not lose your token, you will always have it when you need it, and you'll need your Key to the World card to pay for your beer anyways. If you have any other questions about the Disney Cruise Line refillable beer mug, leave them in the comments below. I would be happy to answer your question. Thanks for sharing in the magic with me. As a bonus, you have a souvenir beer mug to keep at home. Pretend you're on a Disney cruise. No, not a beer lover.